Yo, what's good, guys? Koshertech here. So today we got a brand new speaker from W King. This is their T9. Now you cop this around on Amazon, I want to say like around $100. Now this is a 105 decibel speaker. It goes up to peak wattage, I want to say around 100 watts. I'll have all the specs and everything. If whatever I missed, I'll have it in the description below. I believe it comes in only white color. Presentation, of course, is beautiful. You have this handle over here as well, so you could just cop it and keep it moving. So we have just, some shorties doing their thing over here. You can hit up over here. Very nice presentation. Everything is basically broken down, dynamic party, light modes, and all that good stuff you have over here. Now, I'm also going to show you guys other W King speakers too, just to, break everything down. But you have all their features over here. You have the LED party, aux, live mode, extra bass, hand-free for phone calls, USB play, and true wireless stereo. You combine basically both of them. Presentation is very simple. Now, let's take this bad boy out the box and see exactly what we get. Okay, it's a little big. Just slide it out. All right, so everything is out the box. So we get this little accessory box over here. W King has their logo, which is dope. So what do we get? I am feeling this new W King way of giving us these braided cables. So you have braided USB-A to USB-C. Very nice, man. I gotta look at this, braided, and they're long too, I gotta say, man. This is not no cheap stuff. And we have auxiliary over here. You have your male auxiliary. I like them. Again, braided. Just shows quality, longevity of these cables are gonna, last. You have your warranty card over here. So we only provide 48 months of warranty period to customers. That's not, what's that, 2 years. So that's dope. So you have your little warranty card over here, which is nice. And then everything about the speaker and whatnot. All the good stuff, everything to go over the speaker and whatnot. And I'm not sure, I don't know the IPS rating of this speaker. I'll definitely check if I find it, I'll have it in the description below. Let me know, cats. But anyways, so let's take this bad boy out. Okay, looks pretty interesting. So again, it has that more of a ruggish, that rugged design. You have the W King logo over here. You have the 2 tweeters over here and 2 big woofers over here. And you have this nice carrying handle. What do we have here? Portable party speaker, model T9. Battery 1200 milliamp. So the battery's gonna last a long time, but with the battery, it's always 2 of the volume you listen to. So if you listen on max volume, you're not gonna have, the battery's not gonna last long, but hopefully it does in this case. So we have our USB Type-C auxiliary. We have our card reader. Micro SD card reader, and then we have our USB as a power bank, and then the reset button over here to basically reset the speaker if anything ever happens to it. But up top, so you guys see up top, what do we get here? We have our power. This is, I think, mode or something. We have our lights. Let's see if we get some juice. All right, so we have a typical W King sound, so we should have some lights or something. Sorry, so there's some lights going and whatnot. Definitely all this thing here, I believe this is for volume over here, which we're going to play around with, but you have your back button, your forward button, your play pause button, and that's basically it. I mean, it looks pretty dope. Let's pop it like that. Camera's even going to pick it up. It looks pretty dope, man. I gotta say, it has a nice hefty size to it. Very dope. We're going to go over the music and whatnot, sound test and all that good stuff as we always do in the videos. I like these rubber paddings over here so it won't slide. So for instance, if I have it like that, see, it doesn't slide that bad. This grill over here, it seems like it's aluminum. The body itself is all plastic, but it's that good rugged plastic. The handle over here says W King. It has that good pleather material, so hopefully, hopefully it stands its course. But in comparison, this is the D8. Of course, you guys are very familiar with the D8 if you're watching this video. Fantastic speaker, basically, or what is it, a 50-watt speaker, I want to say. But beautiful. I mean, it retails right now. You get it for like $40 or $60 or something like that. Very good price. I mean, it's amazing speaker. This is the D8, and of course, this is the D9. Now, the D9 is the successor to the D8. Different design. Again, fantastic speaker. I want to say, what was this? A 60-watt speaker. You cop it basically for like $80, $90. But again, also a fantastic speaker. Definitely. For you guys, definitely check these out. Now, in this video, what I'm going to be doing, I am going to be comparing the W King speakers. Maybe I'll add other speakers as well to the T9 and see exactly where the T9 stands and is the T9 worth it. But just quickly looking at it, the T9 size-wise, you guys can see it here. I mean, it's, you know, it's tall. You know what I'm saying? So here it's like, it's more of a portable, you know, to the beach, to the party. But same thing with this. It all depends. I gotta say, it all depends on how it sounds. So without further ado, let me rock with them. Let's get to sound test. Let's get everything going, yo. Let's go.
Can you hear it? It's them. They will find you. You can't hide. You can't escape.
Get that fist bumping ready, yo. Let's go.
You can't escape.
70%.
Can you hear it? It's them. They will find you. You can't hide. You can't escape. You can't escape.
That's why. One, two, three, let's go. All right, so let me know what you cats think in the comments. As always, the way it sounded for me, I mean, that sound core got honestly destroyed. You guys, I don't know if you guys heard, but it was like really no bass in that sound core, and I had a custom equalization the sound core. I think this is what the Motion Plus or the Motion Boom actually, but it had like no bass to it. All these speakers which I tested are all in a similar price range, so sound core got completely slaughtered, in my opinion. The D8 also didn't do such a good job maintaining with the T9. However, the D9 actually, how I heard it, we actually did a pretty decent job. And this is the D9 with the updated firmware to give it more bass. So, yeah, all these speakers were tested in a similar price range, like I said. But listen, the T9 is no slouch. It's pretty beast. Listen, if you guys, if you guys are into it, I mean, it's a beast speaker. I mean, like I said, the handling bar is good. The woofers themselves, I mean, look at the diameter. They're really big, so of course they're going to produce that bass. Overall, it's a great speaker, man. I was really shocked at how it performed. I think it did a hell of a job. Like I said, the D9 and the T9 actually stood a bit side by side, but the T9 delivered a little more thump. So if you're into that thump, the T9 is for you. But overall, a great speaker, a good speaker to carry, a good strap. Designer's really good. You could throw it on the beach, by the pool, all that stuff. It's gonna produce hell of a volume, as you guys heard for yourselves. Overall, let me know what you cats think, man. As always, I'm Koshertech. I'm gonna catch you cats next time. Deuces.